This video brings a patented design stadium LED floodlight, novel and industrial style, high grade in both appearance and functions. It is made of die-casting aluminum body. Anti-UV optical lens. The bracket adopted popular tilted design, which is more convenient for installation. Reinforced structure fears of no strong wind. Angle adjustable design. All components adopted inside are based on the principle reliable first. Due to many luminaires are installed in daytime construction sites, it is very hard to spot the correct target areas. An innovative laser sight is helping to find the right area for each luminaire. It saves labor and makes lighting distributions more precision. Beam angle 15 degree, 30 degree, 35 degree and 60 degrees are available for different distances targets. Let's enjoy the champion together.